How do you handle unwanted romantic or sexual advances on the internet?
The way I guess I handle unwanted sexual or romantic advances is I try to meet the person where they're at. If they're being direct towards me or quite forward, then that allows me actually to be quite forward in return, which is kind of nice. Then I can directly be like, I'm not interested actually.
I will often tell them to stop contacting me, please and thank you. Just make sure that I make it very clear.
You have to not be afraid to say no. And that's usually a big thing for a lot of women these days. You have to have self-confidence.
I just have to back off when I feel that something's uncomfortable. I would say, hey, I'm not interested. And just like, please leave me alone.
So on internet, if I have unwanted sexual advances like getting a penis picture or something, because happens a lot to a lot of girls, I tell them straight, oh, hey, I'm not interested, and then I usually just block them.
If it's somebody that I don't know at all or that is kind of coming out of the blue, there's no real context for it, I might actually ignore them if it's online. Actually, also if it's in person, I might ignore them too.
If somebody is trying to manipulate me and ask for money, that's one situation that I would block somebody. If they're looking for food or they're looking to escape something, or if they're using drugs, I'm not really interested in dealing with any of that, and so I cut off the communication. As well, if somebody's looking to exploit me sexually, I make sure that I'm safe about that as well.
If they are more respectful, then I might talk to them a little bit, and but if I still don't want it, then I'll just say, sorry, I'm not interested. And the chances are, if they're respectful, then they're going to stop texting you after that.